Time is your most valuable asset, more precious than money, more fleeting than opportunity. You can always earn more cash, but you can never get back a single lost minute. Jim Rohn said, time is more valuable than money. You can always get more money, but you can never get more time. Today, I'm going to show you the common ways people waste their most precious resource, and how you can stop sabotaging your future by mastering your minutes. Stick around, because one insight here could save you years of wasted living. Welcome to Grind Success, your home for powerful motivation and life-changing lessons inspired by Jim Rohn. If you want to live intentionally, build wealth, and become the best version of yourself, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Now, let's dive deep into how to stop wasting time on things that steal your dreams and slow your success. Number 1. Stop wasting time on excuses. Excuses are the silent killers of dreams. Jim Rohn taught us that excuses are the little lies we tell ourselves to feel better about standing still. Every excuse you make steals a piece of your future for a moment of comfort today. It's easy to blame your circumstances, your past, your family, your job, but true power comes when you say, "No more excuses, I am responsible." Responsibility is the gateway to growth, and growth is the foundation of success. You don't need a perfect start to have a great finish. Change begins with your decision to stop blaming and start acting. As Rohn wisely said, if you want the future to change, you have to change. Build bridges of effort, not walls of excuses. Your dreams deserve that trade. Number 2. Stop wasting time on worry. Worry is the misuse of imagination, draining your energy over problems that may never happen. Jim Rohn once said, "Worry often gives a small thing a big shadow." When you worry, you pay interest on a debt you don't owe yet. Life will always hold uncertainty, that's guaranteed, but worry does nothing to prepare you for it. Instead, focus on preparation and action. Take what you can control and strengthen your foundation before the storm arrives. If there's nothing you can do, let it go. Replace worry with work, fear with faith, and paralysis with preparation. This simple mindset shift turns anxiety into productivity and moves you closer to your dreams. Remember, motion defeats emotion. Keep moving forward. Number 3. Stop wasting time in negative conversations. Words shape your world. Jim Rohn said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, and that includes the conversations you engage in." Negative talk, gossip, complaining, blaming, slowly drains your spirit and steals your focus. These conversations plant seeds of doubt, fear, and bitterness. Your mind is a garden, and every word you listen to either plants flowers or weeds. Choose conversations that inspire, challenge, and build you up. Be the gatekeeper of your mind. When others want to gossip or complain, change the subject or ask, "What's the solution?" Leadership starts with conversation, and success grows from wise words. Surround yourself with positive voices and watch your life transform. Number 4. Stop wasting time on idle entertainment. Entertainment can be a blessing or a curse. Jim Rohn reminds us, success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines, practiced every day. Too much idle entertainment is the enemy of discipline. Many trade their best hours for fleeting thrills, binge-watching shows instead of binge-reading books. You cannot build a future on momentary distractions. Fun and relaxation have their place, but only after you've earned them by working hard, learning, and growing. Discipline first, pleasure second. Turn off the endless scrolling and invest that time in education, planning, and self-improvement. Remember, the greatest show on earth is the life you create for yourself. Don't let cheap thrills steal your dreams. Number 5. Stop wasting time with the wrong people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This powerful truth from Jim Rohn reminds us that the company we keep shapes our destiny. If your circle is filled with complainers, excuse makers, or dreamers who never take action, you'll find yourself stuck, mimicking their habits and mindset. Some people act as anchors, weighing you down rather than lifting you up. It's not about judging, but about guarding your time and your future fiercely. Surround yourself with those who think bigger, work harder, and inspire growth. Seek mentors and friends who challenge you to be better every day. Your associations either build your dreams or bury them. Choose wisely. Number 6. Stop wasting time without a plan. Life without a plan is like sailing without a map, Jim Rohn said. If you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan, and guess what they have planned for you? Not much. Without a written, clear plan, your time gets hijacked by distractions, and you end up busy but not productive. Planning saves time and energy, giving you a 1000% return on investment. Flexibility is key, but direction is essential. Design your days intentionally by setting goals and priorities. When you plan your day before it begins, you take control of your life rather than drifting. A day well planned is a day half won. Number 7. Stop wasting time regretting the past. Jim Rohn taught, don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. Regret chains you to yesterday and robs you of today's power. The past can teach valuable lessons, but living in it is a prison that paralyzes progress. You are not what happened to you, you are what you decide to become. Mistakes, missed opportunities, and failures don't define your future, your response to them does. Forgive yourself and others, release bitterness, and use your past as a platform for a courageous comeback. Freedom isn't forgetting, it's choosing to no longer be controlled by what once was. Start today by rewriting your story with hope, courage, and purpose. Number 8. Stop wasting time on things you can't control. Life deals us many cards we can't control: the weather, other people's opinions, the economy. Jim Rohn said, happiness is not something you postpone for the future, it is something you design for the present. Wasting energy fighting uncontrollables only drains your power. Instead, focus on your response, your attitude, your choices, your actions. That is where your real power lies. Winners master the art of playing smart with whatever hand they're dealt. Build resilience by focusing on what you can influence and releasing the rest. When you master yourself, no external chaos can defeat you. Number 9. Stop wasting time waiting for the perfect moment. Jim Rohn wisely said, don't wait for the right opportunity, create it. Waiting for the perfect moment is the biggest thief of progress. The truth is, perfection is a myth, and the stars rarely align. If you wait until you feel ready, you'll never begin. Courage doesn't come before action, it follows it. Momentum builds only when you move, even if the first step is messy or uncertain. Don't wait for big breaks, make small breaks and build on them. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Take imperfect action today, because hesitation will always cost you more than failure ever will. Number 10. Stop wasting time not working on yourself. Success is neither magical nor mysterious. Success is the natural consequence of consistently applying the basic fundamentals. Jim Rohn reminded us, your income, happiness, and success are directly tied to your personal growth. You cannot outgrow your mindset or your habits. To change your life, start by becoming a better you. Read good books, develop skills, practice discipline, and cultivate gratitude. Investing in yourself multiplies every other investment you make. Don't neglect your greatest project. You, the stronger, wiser, and more disciplined you become, the better you serve your family, friends, and community. Work harder on yourself than on your job, because your future depends on it. Stop wasting time. Start living on purpose. Time is the one resource you can never get back. Jim Rohn said, either you run the day or the day runs you. Every minute wasted is a missed opportunity to become the person you were meant to be. We've covered how to stop wasting time on excuses, worry, negativity, entertainment, bad associations, lack of planning, regrets, uncontrollable things, waiting for perfect moments, and neglecting yourself. The choice is yours. Will you be the master of your minutes or a slave to distraction? Remember, greatness doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who act. Protect your time like the treasure it is. Design your life intentionally. The clock is ticking and greatness is calling. This is your time, own it. Thanks for watching this Jim Rohn-inspired lesson on mastering your time. If you're ready to take control of your life and unlock your potential, make sure to subscribe to Grind Success for more motivational content and daily success strategies. Hit that bell so you never miss an upload. Your future depends on what you do right now. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and keep grinding. See you in the next video.